Welcome to our green and blue wellness data-informed solution for identifying and prioritising the recycling of vacant and derelict land into blue and green spaces for climate and health justice. We are a team of data, climate and health scientists working with civil engineers from Scottish Canals and community partners. %10 of most cities are made up of vacant and derelict land which negatively impacts upon the health of local communities, but can be recycled to provide nature-based solutions to tackle climate change. Scottish Canals has developed world-first technology to recycle vacant and derelict land into a flood mitigation system that is efficient and cheap to develop, transforming Glasgow into a sponge city. This has also had a major health benefit for local people. Our motivation is to empower local authorities and communities to identify vacant and derelict land in areas where there are both climate and health vulnerabilities, and help them to embed nature-based solutions that benefit both people's health and the climate. Our solution takes routinely collected data about population health, social economic status and flood risk, and identifies areas of vulnerability and vacant and derelict land that can be recycled to benefit those areas. The system predicts potential impact and could work based on different levels of data that is available locally. We've applied and validated our model on the data from Glasgow, and there is an example of output. The system gives a map of the area that should be prioritised and both identifies and ranks vacant land in that area. The system then predicts the potential impact of nature-based solutions on climate and health outcomes using available evidence. This is an easy-to-use system that can be integrated into the planning department of any town or city at little to no cost. It can also be used by local community groups, and it will be made available as open source.